Hello everybody, today we're going to be making coconut date balls. So you're going to want to start off with 40 medjool dates. That's the type of date that she's going to be using. And you're going to cut them all in half to pit it, so take out the seed, and yeah, do that to all of them. Then you're going to place them all into a pot, and she's not doing this to cook them, she's just doing it to melt the coconut oil, the 1/4 cup of coconut oil that she's going to add. But yeah, make sure it's on very low heat just to melt the coconut oil and mix it around so that the coconut oil gets onto all of the dates. And yes, when that's all done, you're going to take a handheld mixer. Oh yeah, make sure to turn off the heat, by the way, when the coconut oil is done. But take a handheld mixer and start mixing, or I guess smushing all of the dates into mush, because this is what you're going to use to shape them. So yeah, just keep going until it's all the same consistency. You don't have any of the outer part still sticking out. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, and you're going to mix that very well once again. Make sure to get all the remaining pieces on the bottom, yeah, so it has to look somewhat consistent. And she puts a sprinkle, exactly a 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom, so it's the secret ingredient in this recipe. Then she pours it out onto another surface. I think she's just using the wood for aesthetic, look how obviously inconvenient this is for her because it keeps moving around, but you can just use your counter. Then you smush it flat on that surface, and you're going to start rolling them into your balls. She smushed it around with her hands like that just so it'd be easier for her to grab. So you could do whatever you want, but yeah, so just start measuring them out into balls. You can eyeball it, no pun intended, and you can just roll them all out like that. And your final touch is rolling them all in shredded coconut to have a really pretty finish with the coconut. And yeah, they're super cute, decoration. They're also super practical. This is great pre-workout if you don't want to take any super crazy unhealthy caffeine stuff. So yeah, super good energy, and we hope you enjoy. And that's it. Happy dating.